Good morning. So today someone's just come in the house. Hello?
Hello?
Oh, hello. Banksy! I saw her tail. You can see both. Come here. So I'm going to be doing the £30 Primark outfit challenge. Is it £30 or 25? I'm not sure. But basically I am doing it but with myself. So you know how normally people do it like with my best friend, with my husband, with my brother. Firstly, my siblings don't want to be in my vlogs like that. They don't want to be like the main event, you know what I'm saying? Secondly, my friends all live far away or are working today. Oh, that's the good stuff. I'm gonna go and shower and wash my bed sheets now. Basically, I'm a chicken and I didn't want to film in Primark because people could hear me in the change rooms next to me, but I was saying how the jeans didn't look good because they were so short and tight around my belly. I wasn't feeling it. Look at that face, she is not feeling it. And look at that ankle swingers to the max. So no. I have a running commentary next to the trying on because I am so annoying that I just pluck up the courage, Grace. No one even cares, you know what I'm saying? So the feelings on this playsuit was I did like it, kind of. I just feel like the colour washing out, it didn't look right. I was into it, the shape was nice, but also not flattering on me. I don't know, I couldn't work it out. But that was £12 if you're interested. And also you could see my knickers through it, and no one needs to see that, do they? Same for this one, it just wasn't right. Didn't fit around the chest area. It had a lot of excess fabric and I just wasn't vibing it. But so hi, so I've just finished in Primark. Yeah, nothing looks good. So I think I'm gonna go to Topshop or H&M. Well, that was a complete and utter fail, wasn't it? I went into so many shops. I really wanted to get some nice new clothes. Well, not new clothes, but I don't know, just an outfit with my 30 quid. But no. Anyway, I will obviously pick up the camera when I've decided what I'm doing with the rest of my day. I've decided I can't even be bothered to stand and fry some potatoes. So I'm gonna make wedges, but look how big this potato is. Okay, doesn't look that big, but look, I have a big hand and it like fully, you can see, you can't see. And this guy, we've got some big potatoes at the moment. Yeah. This guy really does things. It really, you know, it's cracking. It is. A bit more. Because you want to massage it in, you know, get in there. Look how sexy that is. It's 1.5, this is perfect. Another side note, I took ages to explain this in the vlog, so I'm just going to cut that out and just explain it on here. Basically, I'm making some honeycomb now. So, I've got this, so you brush the sides down so they don't crystallise. I'm actually going to brush the sides down now. But you don't want to add too much water. On a little medium heat. Now the thing is, lads, you do not want to mix this. I'm just going to mix it to combine everything like that. Shouldn't have done that. I really regret it. Why did I just do that? That was stupid. You have to be so careful because it's going to like explode soon. We've got some bubbling happening. So, what's going on in your life? Just whilst we wait. Have you been watching Love Island? I haven't, but have you? What's been good about it this year? So, how are you, Mr. Pot of Boiling Sugar? One time I was making toffee popcorn, and this was and was really hot, so don't do that, kids. Oh, it's beginning to bubble. It smells like a jacuzzi. Okay, we're on 133. We're getting there, punks. And then it said to increase the temperature. Okay. She's ready. Oh gosh, it's going everywhere. I made some honeycomb! Okay, now we just got to wait for that to set, to be honest with you. I've had dinner and pudding, and now basically our grandparents gave us loads of craft things because they were doing a declutter. And when I say loads, I think this isn't even all the boxes, is it?
No.
So this is one box of
a few ribbons.
Look, there's a box there. There's a box there. There's a box there.
Got this yarn for felt making.
There's more boxes as
There's
well.
another box under there.
Now, and granted, if you're watching this, how do you have all this stuff? But I was just drawn to this. Look at that. How pretty. It's like sparkly.
Paper raffia.
Mum's gassed.
Presents. That's so cool for putting on.
That actually
Have you
is.
seen this? Have you seen this?
Pretty.
Tissue paper, like ribbony things.
Yeah.
I think I might need to hide some of this from you, Grace, because I feel like you might waste it.
It's not waste if I'm using it for a good reason.
Have you seen how much flipping...
Wow. Glitters. Right, if you had to pick a pack, what colour pack would you go
that's
for?
so hard.
Out of those 4 packs.
I think that one.
See, I'm torn between that one. And there's something magical about black glitter.
I know. And there's some clicky scissor things.
So that is that. Also, I've got this corking spot coming here. What are spots that are on like the side of your head for?
What?
I'm gonna Google because they're really, really hurting. And you know there's that thing called like face mapping. What do your spots mean? What do my spots mean? Why have I got them on the sides of my head? A respiratory system. If you're a smoker, never smoked a cigarette in my life. This vlog is such a mess. It suddenly cuts to then me dancing. Also my eyes are so sore because it's hay fever time, which is really, really sad. Anyway, I then film myself dancing. Like, what even is this vlog? I'm so sorry. Unsubscribe, like.
I don't know what it's like to be you. Cause maybe we could go to the movies. I know that always cheers us up.
Oh. Man, why has my foot got nins and pedals? Nins and pedals? What? This is a contemporary dance, so just... Are you ready?
Thought I found a way. Thought I found a way, yeah.
Camera blurred out for a good reason because no one needs to see that, Grace. You're not a dancer. Ugh.
What are you doing?
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road. Gotta hit the road. Interlude. I think it's time to wrap up what's been a very interesting vlog. If we reflect upon today, started off so positive. Originally this video was going to be a Primark challenge. Oh, the old man next. Oh my gosh, I think I'm going to zoom in on the old man next door. Is that creepy? I feel like that might be a little bit creepy. He's watering his plants and he's doing it very cute. Oh my gosh, I really want to video him. So it started off, yeah, I was going to get Primark outfit. I don't even know if I can title that the Primark outfit challenge for one, because that's not what happened in the end. Then I made some honeycomb, which went well. It did. Then I just don't even know. Should I paint my nails? Justin, I don't think this is just... Anyway, my camera's flashing. So I'm going to say peace out. I hope you have a great week, weekend, whatever date this posted. I don't really have much to say. I'm sorry it's been a bit all over the place, this vlog, but I'm sure you can get some good things out of it, you know what I mean. Anyway guys, peace out, deuces. I think I just blinked just that eye.